Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a simple and quick way to check your monthly data usage. So let's dive in. Right click and go to setting. Here and network and internet, advanced click and data usage. Here guys, we are seeing that in this month I used 66 GB. I can change it to 7 day, last 7 day, and last 24 hours. Here we can limit our usage of internet monthly, daily. It is very good option. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give a video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. If you have any question or suggestion for future videos, leave them in the comment below. Until next time, stay connected and take care.